welcome back. This is where we left off from the Titan boss fight earlier. This guy's dead. So we're gonna go talk to this guard now.
They came out of nowhere. I dragged Jerry in here. Powered up the gate. Must have passed out.
Joker went through that door. What's on the other side?
We call it extreme isolation. Only way in is via the transport system.
And I think the guy the Titan was throwing was also dead.
Call another cell.
Okay.
Okay. Something's wrong here. The main security loop is locked.
Of course it is.
Having a little trouble up there?
Joker.
You're expecting maybe Two-Face?
There's no escape, Joker.
Silly bat! I don't want to escape. I'm having way too much fun. I love you here to give a smile on my face.
Not for long.
Really? We'll see. Ta-ta! Oh, I forgot to say. Just in case you were planning on following me, I've arranged a little insurance. Gordon is on his way to Harley as we speak.
Officer Bowles.
If I see you trying to follow me, he dies. Harley's looking forward to it. Maybe I'll film it and post it on the internet.
Oh my god, Joker.
Transport system is down. Best I can do is open the door you came in. Sorry.
Oh well.
I should go back to the holding cells. Bowles wasn't too smart. You'll have left a trail.
Batman, what's happening?
Oh,
Joker's
hello, Oracle.
escaped. He sealed himself off. He's got your father.
Dad.
Don't worry, I'm getting him back.
Okay, I know, but...
Oracle, I'm getting him back. Joker will not win. I won't let him. I'm starting where he was taken. A guard named Frank Bowles attacked him. If I find Frank, I'll find your father.
Bruce, hurry, please.
Alright, going back the way we came. Shit. How the hell do I get through? Never encountered this before. Oh. Okay, so apparently I just did not remember that. Let's go back to the decontamination room. Okay, hold on, this looks familiar. Okay, yeah, I figured it out.
So when I need security codes for an old man underground, just the man to ask. He's here!
Oracle, I'm at the holding cells. I'm setting up a crime scene.
So what's the plan? Isolate something in that room unique to both?
Exactly.
Detective
I can
work.
follow traces of alcohol from Frank's bourbon in the atmosphere.
Nice.
Oracle, I've got a trail.
That's great. You follow it. I'm grabbing every reference to Arkham I can find. Maybe useful later.
Oh, I thought that was an enemy.
Unreliable. How did Joker get... Be quiet. What's going on?
Batman just being an asshole. You know what this feels like? It feels like an SCP containment breach. Like, all the insane people in this asylum are now running the asylum. Did you forget about my grappling hook?
Gordon was taken up to the surface in the elevator. If I want to follow him, I need to do this the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, with grapples. I guess she just completely forgot about my grappling hook.
Hey, Max! I know you can hear me. I got something to listen to. Hardly a cartwheel out of the old man. How are they going to get past all the guards? Let's have a listen. Hey, Frank, are you there? The Joker's got more men on the way. They're coming around the front of the asylum. That's not going to get in. Quick, get over there. Here, come on, everyone, cover the main entrance. How many are there, Bowles? God, how the hell do you know what... Bowles! Frank, what are you doing? Oh, Frank, what the hell? Quick! It's quick! Get your ass in here!
Oh, I can't get that yet. Okay.
Stop flirting with a hired now, Carly.
Don't worry, sweetie. You know we only have eyes for you.
Did you hear that, Max? Sounds like Max is going out just fine. Another fellow at the boy of the organization.
Yep. Ha.
How's it going? Any sign of Dad?
Not yet, but I'm getting close.
I'll just toss that
Harley
guy.
Quinn tried to slow me down, dropped an elevator on me.
Did it work?
Of course not. I'll get back to you when I reach the end of the trail.
You don't have to. Right. I don't have to. I just want to. Okay.
These guys are
No one gets back.
evil.
Shoot it. You got it.
Oracle, Joker's men have taken control of the cell block transfer corridor.
That's not good. I patched into a guard radio. It sounds like Joker's crew have got their hands on weapons.
I know. I'll calibrate the Cowl's vision mode to isolate armed henchmen. The direct approach is suicide. They need to be smart and find a different test.
So it's that. This way. Yeah, he's a dead man walking.
Terrible peripheral vision on these guys. Like, look! I'm standing right next to him and he can't even see me. I just need to attribute that to focusing on that area. But, oh, hold on.
No problem, boss. The boys are just finishing. Arkham chumps never stood a chance.
Oh, look who it is. I have 20 years burning.
I don't.
I suppose I better warn my boys you're on the way. I want to be a nice surprise. Joker here with a quick update on what's new with the asylum. Some idiot is running around the asylum dressed like a bat. I know! Crazy! Stop him before he gets someone hurt. Really, it's for his own good.
Is and all the sections get harder as you go through them. And I like that. I like the progression. Alright. Only 3 people. Wow.
What? I have a good feeling about this. You guys really have what it takes to beat the band. Not.
Joker not having 0 confidence in his henchmen. Wow. Rude, but okay. What if I doubt it, bro. I doubt it. As you can see here.
You really think it was gonna be that easy, Bats? I sent a few more, my boy, your way.
Uh-oh.
See how you deal with these odds.
Joker wants him found. Spread out.
He could be anywhere.
If
You
your
are
eyes
correct.
open, now move.
3 more enemies, and they're all looking for me actively. What the hell?
Listen,
Oh,
man,
shit.
I'm reasonably sure there's no truth to the rumor Batman drinks with blood. It's time to things.
Damn it. Go up there. Whew. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's go after this guy next.
Remember, boys, look in every corner. He's a tricky one that could pop out of anywhere. When he does,
I feel like the glide controls are inverted. Got him. Alright, let's go.
oh, boo! You win again, Bat. I'll savor it. I'll get you next time.
Joker must have figured out how I was tracking Gordon. Officer Bowles' trail stops here.
Poisoned, I think. He was out here, he was shot. I don't know. Ah, shit.
Yes, it is I, Edward Nigma, the Riddler, and more importantly, your intellectual superior. My genius has allowed me to easily hack into your primitive communications. My goal is simple. You complete a series of amusingly taxing challenges, and, well, you'll see. Ready for your first one?
Sure.
Good. But be careful. Don't cut yourself on this sharply observed portrait.
There.
So you did it. Well done. I would have expected a shot to work that one out, let alone the most great detective.
Jerk.
Hey, Batman!
It was a massacre. Bowles came walking in telling everyone to cover the front entrance. Said something about Joker's army coming through the main gate. 2 of my guys moved to the exit, and Frank shot him dead. They never stood a chance.
Was Bowles alone?
Thought he was. Then I saw Harley Quinn. She was surrounded by Black Gate prisoners. They were just killing everyone in the room. I had no choice. I got in here, locked the door. I could see it on the security feed. They had someone with them. It looked like the commissioner.
Bowles is dead. They carried on without him. Must have outlived its usefulness.
Good. You a scum.
Yep. Now please let me through. Thank you. Alright, we're leaving the intensive treatment area. I believe next is the medical area. I don't remember. But whatever.
Harley tells me that the Batman's car is still parked just outside of the intensive treatment building. Now, we can't just have him up and leave us.
As if Batman would do that. Kindergarten teacher.
Oracle, disable the Batmobile's countermeasure system.
I saw the alert. What's wrong? Where are you?
I'm outside the Arkham Mansion. Harley Quinn probably triggered the alarm. If she still got Gordon with her, he could get hurt.
Okay, done. The Batmobile is still parked up outside the intensive treatment building in Arkham North. I sent you the schematics for the entire island. I've marked key locations like your car.
Thanks, Oracle.
Damn it, I hate the guns in this game and how much health they shed off of you. Damn, some of his, one of his bones broke. No, I'm not.
There's a supply of explosive gel in the trunk of the Batmobile. Harley trashed the car. Looks like there was a sample. You need to search the area around the Batmobile. There could be a clue as to where she took Gordon.
Now, I will say that even though I've played this game before, there are segments that I get stuck on. And I think one of those segments is coming up now.
Strange. This is Gordon's pipe. Barbara gave it to him.
Very soon,
There's no way
anyway.
he would even wild gun. Gordon's favorite tobacco. Gordon's smarter than he looks. Left me a trail to follow. Oracle, I found a pipe. It has your father's initials carved on it.
It was a birthday gift I gave him last year. There's no way he'd leave it.
Exactly. He's left me a trail to follow. He's alive, Barbara.
Gordon's a
The
smoker.
security doors are locked. I'm going to have to find another way around to get back on Gordon's trail.
Here in Idiot Asylum, we have just one rule. You'll never leave us.
Yes, I have to fight every inmate group I come across. Like, I mean, it's not required by the game, it's just required by me. you think?
I warn you, you may look like an idiot and talk like an idiot, but don't let that fool you. You're an idiot.
He really is an idiot. I was correct that this is the medical area.
Hey, scram back! This is my me time.
Where's Gordon?
Wouldn't you like to
Over
know?
here.
Shut up!
Ah, you crazy bitch. Harley. What's he doing here? It's too early.
I'm sorry. Don't be angry with me.
I wish you could destroy these.
I could never say that.
Sorry, B-Man. You'll have to find another way. Goodbye now.
Jerk.
This one's blocked.
And she threw a can at him. Yep. This is a segment I used to always get stuck on because I could never find this piece. But I found it now.
I want all the doctors rounded up. Search every inch of the medical building. I mean it. Search every room, every office, and every trash can. If another doctor tries to run and get out of the building, then you won't. I'll just flood the rooms with happy gas and leave you to die. I think that anyway. Sounds fun.
Get off of me.
Get down there with me.
I think I'm gonna consider this the very first real Predator section.
Why does he need the doctors? I've got to save him.
Oh, he just wants one specific doctor.
Found someone over here. Anyone got a way out of this? You can find them. Oh, we're next, you hear me?
Took out 2 out of the 5 in there immediately.
Leave them here. Spread out and find that bag.
I don't want to worry you boys, but I think he may be in there with you.
Guy alone over here.
The psycho built this place. Hospital lab.
Let's take our hospitals.
Whew, that actually scared me. I just fainted. I'm sus now.
Hello? Is there a doctor in the house?
room's clear. You're safe now.
Mm-hmm. You can't be safe here when Joker is loose.
Batman!
Free this. Oh, never mind.
I don't know what happened. One minute we were doing our evening rounds, and the next, armed thugs burst into the room and took us hostage.
Did they have anyone with them?
They took someone into the elevator. I couldn't tell who it was.
They obviously didn't want to be followed. The elevator appears to have been powered down. You're going to be okay here.
We'll be fine.
What about the others? We heard gunfire. They could be dead. We should go and help.
Oh no, I forgot. Dr. Kellerman was in the patient observation room, and Dr. Chen went to surgery.
And Dr. Young went to X-ray.
Okay, stay here. I'll find the other doctors.
Batman saved us. I never really believed he existed.
Look,
Sorry, my controller
we're
is
safe. Batman saved
doing
us.
stuff. Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna go after Chin first. I don't know why, I just want to.
Will all patients please remain calm and move slowly to their accommodation?
Let me introduce you all to the sterling work of our new head of research, Dr. Penelope Young. Since joining our team 2 years ago, Arkham is now at the forefront of research. That's an understatement. Yeah.
Hello guys, little thug punks. I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade again. Combo takedown. Oh, this is young. I don't want to do that. I wanted to do Chin first. Okay, so I went the wrong way for Dr. Chin. Got it.
And where you can be reassured that they are safe and undergoing the finest care available. An extensive breakdown of
This might be a really long video, guys, so.
at the front desk or at www.arkhamcare.com/crisis. We accept most major HMOs.
Why do you guys want to be paid for helping cure people of mental illness? That's what the problem is. That's my problem with that.
Arkham is now at the forefront of research into understanding the human. Batman!
Don't speak. You're safe now.
But it's a trap.
I know. Just not for me.
It's true. You really are the world's greatest detective. How did you do that, Bats? Now, what the hell? Get down there, boys. See if you can detect the impression effects.
Okay.
What are you waiting for? April Fool's Day? Get down there now!
Okay, fine, sure, whatever.
You want some of this?
You want some of my fist? I don't know how they don't get hurt by jumping off a railing. That's just, I don't get that.
Don't get too full of yourself, Bats. I'm just softening you up. Think of this as a preview to the main event. You'll see.
I'm sorry. I tried to tell you. I couldn't speak.
Relax, you're safe now. I can handle these low-life thugs.
Remember, a happy patient is a quiet patient.
That's shady. I don't trust the people at Arkham. A happy patient is a quiet patient.
Don't you know nothing? It's the bat!
Yes, it's the bat. Quite a few combat sections in this game, in this video.
There was an alarm and I heard someone shouting about Doc lying on the floor. When I went to help him, the room was flooded with gas. These doors locked down. Can't get out. Don't know how long. You gotta help us. If you can clear the gas out of the room, Doc and me can get out of here.
More Joker toxin. Hooray.
I don't know if you can hear this. Board showing power to fan 1. Please, I don't want to fall in the gas.
Oh shit, I should not have done that. Damn it.
Can't let that man die. We have to clear the room of toxins as quickly as possible.
No, I can't let him die. Ooh, thank God he survived. Well, there we go. It's done. Now for Dr. Young.
There are still medical staff needing my help.
Did you not hear what I just said, Batman? Please remain calm and move slowly to their accommodation. Oh, I'm not sure I can keep it a secret any longer. Old friend is coming to the party. One of them is just terrified to leave. Now say hello.
Oh,
The other,
terrified.
let's just say he's going to. I see you, and you need to see him. When Amadeus Arkham built this fine institution, few would have believed it could be the premier psychiatric evaluation and rehabilitation center it has become. Everyone knows the stories of the various so-called super criminals who've been treated here, but that is only half.
Alright, here we go.
It doesn't need to be like this.
Keep quiet. Someone's coming for you and yapping on your face.
What's going on? They were talking like they were in control. Is it true the Joker escaped?
Unfortunately, yes. But not for long.
I've been studying Joker's case for months when he broke out. The warden was very specific he wanted Joker cured.
Bad publicity will affect his campaign for mayor.
That'll be the least of it. I almost forgot. They said they were moving through the facility, hunting down the other doctors.
Not a problem. All staff have been rescued. You'll be safer if you remain here.
Alright then.
All the medical staff are safe.
You know, someone really should do
Welcome to Arkham.
something about those structurally weak walls so I can blow up.
Will all patients please remain calm and move slowly to their accommodation? Welcome to Arkham Asylum. Our staff are here to help you. When Amadeus Arkham built this fine institution, you would have believed it to be being here.
Did you find them? Are they okay?
Yes, they're safe now.
Batman, we got another problem.
I need to get back to the mansion. All my research notes are there. We can't risk Joker getting his hands on them.
It's not safe, Doctor. The island's a war zone. You won't stand a chance.
It's my life's work. You really don't have the authority to.
I'll get her there, Batman. You ask me, it's about time for a little payback.
I don't like it. Who called the elevator?
Wasn't us. It's coming from the lower floor.
Cash, take Dr. Young. Get her notes and then find somewhere safe to hold up. Everyone else, go to the observation room. Barricade yourselves in.
Just 3? That should be easy. You know, I absolutely love how confident Batman is in his abilities. And to be honest, he really should be.
Too easy. Oh, think about it. I got you trapped in a little metal box, hanging precariously over a deadly drop. What say I just blow the emergency brakes and drop you like a sack of puppies? Say good night, Dats. Boom!
Joker.
Got a few more surprises in store for you. Prepare to face your fears. All of them.
Oh, okay, hello. I didn't realize it was gonna be so quick.
Your appointment is not. I'm sure you'll slot through when you're ready. Tell me, Bats, what are you really scared of? Hey,
Let's see what Batman is really scared of. Now. Oh! Gordon! Gordon! Bro. Oh no. Oh, Batman's eyes just changed. Come on, Gordon. Why are you slowly opening it? Bro, Batman, what the hell?
sorry, Jim.
Well, I mean, obviously this is a hallucination. Because, you know, Batman's eyes are red.
I'm sorry. It was too late.
I'm sorry. The number you dialed isn't available.
Identity unknown.
Barbara, are you there?
Please hang up your phone.
Bruh. Jose? I don't know. Actually, yes, I do. It was Scarecrow. Don't know why I just did that. Yeah, I did it, dude. I did it. Body bags? Let's open this one.
Father. Mom?
Jump scare warning. What the hell? Run away, help me, I'm going to die. No, I'm not, because I'm good at this game. I'm gonna slow as fuck. Merry-go-round Scarecrow Edition. Merry-go-round Scarecrow Edition. Come get your tickets. Come on, hurry up, Batman. Come on. Nothing? Don't worry about it. Also, there's a noose around his neck. Damn. I have to avoid his gaze. Run away! Also, he's super skinny. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here for the day. Thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video.